My name is Raymond Progotich. I came from Melbourne, Australia, and I've been in Edmonton for 5 years now. I started Fury Flooring 4 years ago, and my beautiful wife and 3 kids brought me over here. So the idea of Fury was started in Australia, and then we brought that over to Canada in Edmonton, and basically seeing the growing market. So we started Fury Flooring over here to then give the clients, what they needed, as the supply and demand is nothing like I've ever seen before. So the products and services that Fury Flooring offers is anything you can possibly think about in flooring, whether it be tile, laminate, vinyl, hardwood, carpet, you name it, we do it. We need the new products in here, and we have a very small showroom, but it's because we offer that 25-year to life warranty on all of our products. We want to be the person that you will look in 25 years and say, hey, we're only changing this because it's outdated. Our target clients are basically from your first home buyers right up to your developers who are building multi-million-dollar houses. We want to target anyone to help them with their needs in building and make their renovations go smoothly. We have a great knowledge with what flooring and design aspect that you're going to need for your house, and we're not just going to give you the cheapest product and the cheapest install. This stuff is all going to be installed to the highest of quality. So our relationship with suppliers and brands is everything that we have in this company. We have to make sure that we know exactly what every product has, what it represents, how much ounce weight is in it. And we also want to give lifetime warranties and 25-year warranties within a house to know that if their product doesn't work, that they get their full refund and change of product back. And we are backed by amazing reps that that we work with and the products that we sell. Our reps are amazing. Basically, what we're trying to aim for is the client to want to come to our store for their next project, because they are more than happy to have us in their house, and we want them to show their work off because they have to live with it. It's not us. And when it's in your house and you have to stare at it every day, you have to be in love with that flooring. That brings us happiness to see clients happy with our work. So the problem that Fury feels in the market is that we're actually using skilled and trained labourers. Our time is dedicated to scheduling in our professional installers and making sure that they're there and we're in contact with the client, and nobody's messed around on each and every job that we do. But we have 30 crews running at every stage, so we've basically got crews from everywhere that we've brought in that are all trade, and no one gets into the company without a Red Seal ticket. Well, the difference from us to other companies is basically we're going in there and we're getting the job done on time. We're very time sensitive. We know that we're taking over, somebody's house, so we want to make sure that we're not in their way for too long. The dust, all the mess that's there, we take away that headache of not having to clean up the dust after us. We're making sure it's clean. We're making sure that job every time is 100% satisfactory. And then we're following up with clients to make sure that they are 100% happy. We're not answering calls. We want these people to be happy. You can find us at 9826 44 Ave, just behind the White Mud. Pop in and say hi. You can Google us, furyflooring.com, or reach me personally, 780-984-6817. We look forward to doing business with you.